Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 won't turn on after water exposure, you're not alone. Water damage can lead to various issues, primarily because moisture can short-circuit internal components. If left untreated, it can result in permanent damage, making your device unusable. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, isopropyl alcohol, a soft cloth, and replacement parts if necessary. Now, let's start with the repair process. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Carefully lay it on a soft surface, and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be gentle as you lift the panel with the spudger, taking care not to damage any clips. Once inside, locate the battery. This is often the first component that can be affected by water damage. Disconnect the battery carefully by unhooking the cable. Next, you'll want to check the motherboard for signs of corrosion or moisture. If you see any, use the soft cloth dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the affected areas. If the motherboard is significantly damaged, you may need to replace it. Make sure to note the type of screws you're dealing with, as they can vary in size. Apply light pressure when removing them, and ensure you keep track of where each screw belongs. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've completed the necessary replacements or repairs, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Tighten the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this could lead to further damage. Finally, power on the device to check if it's working correctly. If it powers on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo Legion 5. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case and avoid using your device in locations where spills could happen. Keeping your laptop elevated on a flat surface can also help mitigate risks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.